Hello and welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to read an amazing story. Are you ready for story time?
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Amazing. So the name of today's story is The Rainbow Lake. Elara skipped into the ice cream shop. It smelled like a rainbow of happy treats. A big cone with 5 scoops waited for her. "I am strawberry," shouted the red scoop. "I am mango," yelled the yellow scoop. "I am mint," chirped the green scoop. "I am blueberry," boomed the blue scoop. "I'm grape," giggled the purple scoop. Elara looked at all the colors: red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which one to lick first? She reached out her tongue and gave the red strawberry scoop a little lick. "Yummy!" she giggled. She licked the yellow mango, then the green mint, then the blue blueberry, and finally the purple grape. "What happens if I mix them?" she wondered. With her spoon, she gave the cone a big stir. The red, yellow, green, blue, and purple all swirled together. They made a new wonderful color. It was the color of a happy, delicious, and very special mess. Elara took a big lick and said, "It's the best color of all." Thanks for listening with us, friends, today. Did you like today's story?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So, see you next time.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye, friends.